everybody, JD Man here on a T7 Yamaha Tenere 700 doing a demo ride here at the IMS show in Carlisle, PA. I was gonna do the ride on speed triple, but they're running so far behind and Yamaha has the actual schedule, so I had to forget about that, because this is the bike that I plan on buying the soonest. Yeah. Not used to that clutch. Plenty of power. A little bit of teeny tiny bit of vibes in the handlebar, but nothing to complain about. Definitely feels like a dirt bike. And this has all the Teneres here have the Dunlop Trail Max Missions on them. And that's the tire that I've been thinking about on the GS. So I was like, cool, I get to try out both the bike and the tire. But I had something awesome happen, because I guess I'm a little bit of a fanboy of Brett Tax, and he is here. I got to meet him, got to talk to him. Pretty damn cool. So that right there made it worth my trip. Meeting him and getting to talk to him. So awesome. And I asked him what he thought about a middleweight bike, and he said this bike here, excellent choice. So kind of helped make up my mind. And I happened to get, if I was going to get one here in the United States, this is the color that I like the best, because it's kind of old school. I'd rather have the Rally. And I asked, I said, when are they going to bring that to the United States? And they said they have no idea. They said, they don't tell us nothing. When it shows up, then we'll know it's here. Okay. For some reason it wouldn't go down in. I couldn't get her to downshift. That's strange. got up here? I don't know, the transmission to me is a little weird. A little weird. This might be, because it's a demo bike. I don't know. This is actually a nice ride. A lot better than the BMW route that we took. I didn't know they had this kind of stuff here around Carlisle. And I just got a reality check there. The brakes are not what I'm used to. These ain't Brembo's that I'm used to. I mean, we're in 5th gear, 33 mile an hour, and good. I do like the engine. I mean, I see what everybody's talking about. I mean, this thing does have some good down low. Down low grunt. At least I finally got to ride a Tenere, T7. Because they are just not into dealers, and I guarantee you're not going to be able to take one for a ride if they do get one in. So there's the sport bike guys from Yamaha on their ride. I think I got the hand of this transmission. You gotta make sure that you lift up off of the shifter. Guys riding the new Pan Americas. Harley's here doing road tests. Royal Enfield, Triumph, Suzuki, Kawasaki, Yamaha. No Beamers, no Ducatis. seat right now isn't too bad. I don't know if this is the rally seat or if it's just a regular seat or what. Just for this little 7-mile ride, I've been pretty good. What's that, the bike I wanted to ride? No, that's a street. You got a green light now. This bike, the more comfortable I'm getting. And we're doing a little roundabout. So I guess we're heading back now. Or are we going straight? Back at the fairground. Yeah, okay. Not too bad. Well, I'm going to say this concludes our ride on the T7. So I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, please. Thank you.